Finally, a cloth that actually gets these fingerprints off the displays here. Always all these fingerprints when I'm filming videos. And what I hate most is when the camera lens has a smudge on it too, because you really see that when the sun shines on it from the side. Yeah, hello and welcome to a new video here at Smart to Drive. It's me, Alex. Great to have you tuning in. This isn't just about this cleaning cloth, but about an entire accessory package that I was sent by the company FansBYD. FansBYD is my partner for BYD accessories. I've actually advertised for FansBYD quite often whenever I've tested a BYD. And FansBYD said, cool that you're getting the Seal 6 DMI Touring. I've got the car for 2 weeks. Hey, I'll just send you a package and you can see what kind of accessories we offer and what the quality is like. So I said, sure, feel free to send it over. I'll check it out. And here's the package that arrived. A small box with plenty of accessories. One of them was this beautiful FansBYD cloth. On the back, it's kind of a bit softer like wool. And on this side, I'd say microfiber. Yeah, really good. Practical for displays, definitely something you should have in the car. You get something like that there, but that's not what this is about. There were actually 2 of these cloths included in the delivery. I'll just toss that down for now, and let's take a look at what other accessories are in here. Right here, I've got an organizer. I have to be honest, I haven't looked at everything closely yet. This is a glasses organizer, a glasses case. It should open up something like this. Ah, cool. So it's got like a click mechanism and it actually looks really nice with this Alcantara look. And it gets clipped in up there. So there are just 2 hooks here and it snaps into place at the top. And these 2 tabs here, you slide them under the plastic cover. I haven't pushed it all the way in because it's not my car. I don't want to leave any signs of use on it, but it just gets tucked in underneath here. It even comes with a small prying tool. It looks like this. You can use it to pry up the plastic cover here a little bit, but I just clipped it on like this for now. It should be enough for demonstration purposes. It definitely looks very high quality and feels great. It's not exactly the same material as this, but it's actually a much nicer material. And then you can just open it with a click, put your glasses in and click it shut again. And then it's out of the way and looks nice. That's definitely not a bad accessory at all. This is what it looks like from up close. You can see the material here again. Not a bad thing for anyone who likes to keep their glasses up there. And the good thing is, I know how it is. Usually these glasses compartments you flip open are made of plastic. And then the glasses rattle around inside. Here it's made of a nice kind of Alcantara leather, suede leather, so the glasses shouldn't rattle while you're driving. I actually find that very, very useful already. Let's see what else is included in the whole set. Aluminum sport pedal covers, one for the brake, one for the gas. And they're simply slipped onto the original ones. So it shouldn't be rocket science. I'll open one up. This is what it looks like, and from the back like this. I remember this from Tesla pedal covers. You just pull them over here and then slide them on. Then it clicks into place and you just have nicer pedals. I'll open the door here so I can show you. Let's take the camera along. Let's slide it on the cover. That's what it looks like then. Just tidy up the rubber at the back. Yeah, then I'll do the gas pedal as well. Then you'll see it all finished. It's obviously a much better look than having these unattractive plastic pedals here. This one apparently just slides on from the top. That should be even easier than the brake pedal. Let's see. There we go. Make sure it clicks in well. And this is how it looks now. Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? I think it's not bad. Pedal covers like these aren't street legal. Theoretically, at least I think so. You have to be a bit careful, of course, if you decide to drive around with them and take them to the vehicle inspection. Then we have a tablet holder here for the rear seats. I'll have to crawl back there in a bit. I'll do that right after this. Now let's see what else is in here. Some kind of organizer here. It looks like this. Then there's another small insert here. There are actually 2. So you put it in like this, it's non-slip. And 2 smaller parts here. One for here and one for here. What's nice is that there are these little tabs. It also feels really great. It's very pleasant. A silicone, very nice material. and the tabs make it easy to lift out. And this should be inserted somewhere here. I just don't know which way. Let's see. It probably... Oh, wait, it does make a difference. So you have coin slots here, a tray, and you can still take it out anytime to reach into the deep compartment below. I think that's great. It's a good solution. This is what it looks like underneath. And like this with the insert. Very high quality, feels good. Great texture, I must say. The only thing, yeah, there's a bit of play here, but it's not too bad. It wouldn't actually bother me. Then I have a cup holder here, but from the look of it, it's not, yeah, no, it's not for this vehicle. As you can see, it doesn't fit in here. It's not exactly the right size. It's probably for a different BYD model. Too bad I can't show you. But yeah, it serves its purpose. It has the advantage that if something spills, you just take it out, wash it, or eventually throw it away. If it gets really scratched up, you don't have to damage the car itself. And you'd never be able to get that repaired. So what else do we have in here? A storage tray like this. It looks like this. Non-slip here with nubs. A large and a small compartment here, and two 3M adhesive strips. This one goes right here behind the display. So you peel off the adhesive strips here so that it actually has something to stick to. There's also this rounded curve behind the display here, and then it's just placed in here and stuck down. The adhesive strips keep it from sliding around, and then you have storage space up here, for example. With this rubberized surface, I can also put my smartphone up here once it's stuck down, or even plenty of other things. Not a bad thing either. I don't find it impractical at all, actually. Next accessory, what do we have here? Looks like an inductive charging tray, or at least an insert for the charging tray or something like that. Let's see if this fits in there somehow. Yeah, that fits perfectly. Wow, stylish. It has a great feel to it. It feels much, much better than these standard plastic trays. Nice silicone material. You can also see here where you need to charge the smartphone. I can't test if my smartphone still charges, but I think so. Otherwise, the symbol wouldn't be here because my smartphone can't charge inductively. And the ridges, those three, they're exactly like the ones here. Only downside is the ventilation. It would be blocked. So if you value that, you obviously can't use it in that spot. At least these ventilation grills. But otherwise, it looks nice. It feels very, very good, actually. Moving on. We're almost at the end now. There's not much left. Here's an organizer. Looks cool too. And this gets placed down here. And that's practical too. I can't film that very well with the camera. You just have three separate compartments here as well. And it's simply placed down here into this compartment. And that way you just have more order down here. So, and then this little part goes on the back of the seat somehow. Let's see. There are hooks and a small 3M adhesive strip, but I'm not going to peel that off now. It's not my car after all. You see, there's a seam on this side and a seam here. And then it's basically just clipped in once. You see. So here, snap, snap, and then it's clipped in. It can still be moved if you press on it. If it's also glued, then nothing should really come off anymore. And then this thing here, unscrew it once. And then it's pressed onto this button. And then, or I'll just tighten it now, otherwise it'll fall off again. Then it's screwed back on here. There. A bit tighter, so it's still a little bit movable, but not too much. And then you can put your tablet in here, tighten it a bit more at the back, so it only has a little play and not too much. And then there's a mechanism here that you can pull apart. So the tablet is simply clamped in. And when you're sitting there like that, then as a child, you can either in landscape or portrait mode, this would be for landscape, clamp your tablet in, or here in portrait. I'll just clamp my smartphone in for a second, then I can show you exactly. This is what it looks like now with the smartphone. So it works wonderfully. Right, so theoretically you could also watch something back here with a smartphone. Yeah, simple but functional. A video of a different kind for once. Actually, I don't really like doing accessory tests for vehicles anymore. Well, not so often, simply because it always looks a lot like advertising in the end. But I agreed this time when I was offered to have a test package sent to me. I didn't even know what would be sent to me because it's just cool to show something for BYDs for once. I've already presented every BYD vehicle model on the channel and tested them extensively. But nobody really has experience with accessories. For Tesla and the like, there are so many videos about accessories, so I thought I'd show it to you once. what's available here and what the quality is like, I'd say it's really decent. You can't go far wrong with that. Yeah, for going on vacation once or something, clamped in the back, I wouldn't even glue it now. It's enough that you can just clamp it in the back for once. And the organizers, especially this one, it's just really, really practical that you simply use the deep compartment, similar to how I have it in my Tesla, for example. Or right here, the organizer behind the display on this side, which we have right here now. Things like that are just really items that always work in every car and that you also need. The glasses case is also great. I find it practical if you wear glasses or often like to have sunglasses ready to hand. With the link in the video description, you also get a 10% discount on all orders at FansBYD. And there's also the link to the web shop linked for you once more. So feel free to take a look if you're ordering a BYD. I think it's not a bad idea to browse around a bit there. And I've already checked on the website, you can get plenty of accessories for every BYD model. If you liked the video, feel free to leave me a thumbs up. Videos like this don't get clicked as much, so it's all the more important to give a thumbs up and hit hype so it's really shown to more people. And feel free to subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any more vehicle tests on the channel. And then I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. This video is presented to you by FansBYD. At FansBYD, you can get accessories of all kinds for all common BYD vehicles. Simply select your desired vehicle and browse, and with the discount code in the video description, you'll also receive an additional discount. You can simply enter this code in the shopping cart. And now, have fun shopping.